Who's this one from?
This one's Grandma and Grandpa.
Grandma, Grandpa?
And remember, your Aunt Chrissy already got you a police motorcycle.
Turn around. Whoa.
Whoa.
High speed chase.
What?
That's cool. Wow, you got a lot of Legos. That's cool. I like that one.
We got a lot of Legos. We got a lot of Legos.
Looks like all Legos.
We got all the Legos we have.
It's like he made out.
Hey, keep going.
Ooh, get the presents on. Get the presents.
What is that? Whoa, it's movies.
Whoa.
Take a look and see which one it is.
It's almost
Whoa.
Harry Potter movies.
Pick them up.
Harry Father.
Careful.
Oh,
There's more.
Pick 'em
Harry
up.
Potter's.
There's more.
Market the food.
What?
Alright, Xander, don't act that way. That's not nice.
What else did you get?
Great. And Harry Potter.
Hey, bring him over here, please.
Hmm.